Hello and welcome to day 13 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we are doing yoga flow for strong core. We're going to start with some stomach vacuum breathing. So this is one of the most functional core exercises you can do. The stomach vacuum exercise contracts your deepest abdominal muscles. We're going to do this in kneeling position. So start on all fours with your knees stacked under your hips and wrists under your shoulders. Make sure your back is flat and in neutral position. Optionally push your stomach in and out a few times to help you get used to this position. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your nose or through your mouth with lips pursed. During your exhale, slowly draw in your lower abs. Imagine your belly button being pulled towards your spine. In this position, you can also imagine your belly being pulled up towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. And now we're going to repeat 2 or 3 times. You can breathe normally, then breathe in deeply and exhale and pull your belly button towards your spine. Hold that vacuum position. Okay, we're gonna keep going and doing the bird dog pose. Extend your left arm and your right leg. Lift them, extend them, and slowly lower down. Inhale, lift both arm and leg, opposite arm and leg, and with control, lower down. Core engaged to keep a flat back. One more. Hold this position, and from here, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow. Extend. Exhale, knee to elbow, extend and hold. And we're gonna switch the opposite arm and leg. Inhale, lift and hold. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Hold here. Now with exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend around your back when you exhale and when you pull the knee towards the elbow. And release. Nicely done. Okay. Tuck your toes. And from here, we're gonna lift the knees into the bear pose. Okay, knees completely off the mat. Engage your core. Extend the right leg. Bear. Extend the left leg. Then step into bear. Extend the right arm forward. Now left arm forward. Bear. And drop your knees down. Okay, one more. Lift knees off the mat. Extend the right leg back. Step in. Extend the left leg back. Step in. Right arm forward. Down. Left arm forward. Down. And drop your knees down again. One more time, lift your knees completely off the mat, extend the right leg and the left leg and the right arm and the left arm. And drop your knees down and stretch in child's pose. Take your time. Enjoy the stretch here. Okay, now on your knees and press into down dog. This is our first down dog of the day. Take your time. Spread your fingers. You can bicycle your legs now. Push your hips towards the ceiling or the sky. Breathe. And now walk your feet towards your hands and with straight back rise up. Okay, we can't do a yoga practice without some Surya Namaskara, sun salutations. So get ready, inhale, lift arms straight up and exhale, folding forward, chest towards legs. Inhale halfway, exhale jump back, chaturanga. Inhale up dog and exhale into down dog, pushing hips up, keeping the legs and the back straight. Holding here for a few breaths. Now inhale, jump in, halfway lift. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Keep pushing hips towards the sky, spreading your fingers. And now with exhale, hold into the plank position. Now right knee to the chest and step back. Left knee to the chest, step back. Do this with exhale. Every time engage your abs and round your back a little bit. Last one for the left knee. Now right knee to the right elbow. Left knee to the left elbow. Right knee to the right elbow. Exhale, left knee to the left elbow. One more. Right and left. Now we're twisting. Right knee to the left elbow, step back. Left knee to the right elbow, step back. Right to left, left to right. Last time, right to left and left to right. And drop your knees down, stretching child's pose. Nicely done. Okay. Plank position again. Chaturanga. Up dog with inhale. Exhale, down dog. Pushing hips up towards the sky. Plank again. This time rotating into a side plank. And then the other side. Side plank hold. Chaturanga. Inhale up dog. Exhale down dog. Back to plank and side plank again. Lift the leg up. This is very challenging. Back to center. The other side. Side plank hold. Optionally lift the top leg up and hold into the star plank. And slowly lower down. Back to plank chaturanga, up dog, down dog. Knee down. And now cross your fingers. We're gonna do just a little prep for the handstand. So place your head on the mat, hold it with your hands and walk your feet towards you. Now optionally you can alternate and lift and bend your legs. Just bend. Try to keep your hips just over your head and just alternate legs one at a time. Hold here. This is our prep, and drop your knees down and take your time. That's a great prep, and hopefully one day we'll manage to hold into the headstand. Okay, nicely done. And now from here, simply sweep your legs in front of you, sitting nice and tall. And now lean, actually not lean, roll back down, one vertebra at a time. Just a little more core work. So starting laying down. Inhale here, and with exhale we're gonna lift the upper and the lower body, and we're gonna hold in that hollow man position. And a little bit more boat pose, holding here, and now slowly roll down. Inhale here, and with exhale upper and lower body up and holding into the hollow man. And now just a little bit more transition into boat pose. Hold here. And slowly roll down one vertebra at a time. Inhale here. Exhale into hollow man. And boat pose. And roll down one vertebra at a time. That was great, amazing work. Okay, hug your knees a little bit. Take your time, catch your breath. Happy baby pose. Grab your feet outside and just enjoy the stretch in your lower back, because this kind of core exercise sometimes can be harsh on your lower back. Extend your legs. And now our final resting pose, Shavasana. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this practice. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.